Hey, what's up guys? It's Aaron with 2 Minute Tech, where I do tech reviews fast, and today we're going to take it the 10,000 milliamp USB-C power bank from Aukey. So first of all, shout out to Aukey for sending this over. I'm a big fan of Aukey products and I'm psyched to be able to take a look at this product with you guys. Now I've checked out a few power banks on this channel before, and I gotta say, honestly, out of the gate, I'm pretty super impressed with the size and features that this battery pack has. Now I really could deep dive into a bunch of specs here, but if you want to check all that out and dig into it yourself, click down in the description below. I've got a link there. It'll give you all the details you need. Now this power bank does come with some cool features, including Power Delivery 2.0 and Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 technology. Now with that USB Power Delivery 2.0, you can charge an iPhone 10, iPhone 8, or an iPhone 8 Plus up to 50% in about 30 minutes. You can also power your Nintendo Switch for up to 6 hours of additional gameplay. So with that 10,000 milliamp capacity, you're going to be able to charge your iPhone 10 2.5 times, if you got a Samsung Note 8 about 2 times, your Nintendo Switch about 1.5 times, and with an iPad Air 2 you can charge it almost a full charge. And with that USB-C power delivery port, you can actually go backwards and charge through that port and recharge the power bank in about 4 hours. Now I know that there's power banks on the market that have a lot larger capacity, but the thing I really love about this one from Aukey is it's super duper slim and light. It's only about 5.8 inches tall and 2.9 inches wide with a thickness of 0.5 inches, so it's really small and portable and fits really nicely in a bag. So if you're looking for a power bank that has USB-C Power Delivery 2.0, really thin and light and can fit in a bag really nicely, look no further than this one from Aukey. Thanks for watching.